The International Monetary Fund has commended Pakistan for liberalizing trade and establishing a free trade system in South Asia. In its annual review of Pakistan's economy, the IMF said due to the successful economic policies, Pakistan's economy has steered out of crisis and is now set on the way to development. The report noted that the country's economic indicators were positive and the economy was growing at a rate of about 6%. The IMF noted that Pakistan's important mid-term reforms were intended to maintain the pace of economic growth so that significant reduction in poverty could also be achieved. The President, General Parvez Musharraf, has stressed the need for focusing attention on the health care in rural areas of the country. He was addressing the inaugural ceremony of Khyber Medical College Golden Jubilee celebrations in Peshawar. The President urged the doctors to go to villages and serve their own people.
The people of Pakistan are poor and they need medical attention. And 70% of our population today resides in the rural areas. And that is where health care is required. And that is where attention of doctors and medical profession is required. But unfortunately, that is the problem area where there has been a lack of focus, and also there is a lack of attention from the medical graduates because of their shyness or their hesitation, may I say, to go into the rural areas because of some lack of facilities also. You must look after your own people. Go to your own villages, your own areas, and go down and carry out your duties there. I would even go to the extent of saying that some institutional arrangements need to be made where a doctor is compulsorily made to go to the villages and serve for a certain duration. But of course the facilities need to be provided by the government.
The President said a comprehensive policy has been adopted for the promotion of health and education. He said the government is concentrating on primary and secondary education through improving syllabus, teachers' training and examination system. The President said about 1 million students are getting education in madaris in the country and efforts are underway to bring them to the mainstream of education. He said Pakistan has the resources and potential. We need to utilize these resources and potential for the uplift of the country. Pakistan is a great nation and is on the rise. The President announced a grant of 20 million rupees for Khyber Medical College. In his welcome address, Principal of the college, Dr. Khalid Mufti, said the institution had produced more than 8,000 doctors during the last 50 years. And President of Pakistani Doctors Association in Latin America, Dr. Umar Taimur Atiq, also spoke on the occasion. Gold medals were presented to Chairman Human Resource Development Dr. Naseem Ashraf and Dr. Fawad Al-Qamar for their services in education. Prime Minister Shaukat Aziz has underlined the need for enhancing commercial and trade relations with Iraq. Talking to Iraqi Foreign Minister
सूबे सरहद के गवर्नर सैयद इफ्तिखार हुसैन शाह ने खैबर मेडिकल कॉलेज पेशावर के गोल्डन जुबली कॉन्वोकेशन 2004 में कामयाब मेडिकल ग्रेजुएट्स में असनाद और गोल्ड मेडल्स तकसीम किए। खैबर मेडिकल कॉलेज पेशावर के प्रिंसिपल प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर खालिद मुफ्ती ने साल 2001-2002 में कामयाब होने वाले 191 ग्रेजुएट से हलफ लिया। बाद में सैयद इफ्तिखार हुसैन शाह ने ग्रेजुएट्स ऑफ मेडिसिन और ग्रेजुएट्स ऑफ सर्जरी में असनाद और गोल्ड मेडल्स तकसीम किए। डॉक्टर फवाद अल-कमर को MBBS के 4 सालों में अव्वल पोजीशन हासिल करने पर 4 गोल्ड मेडल पहनाए गए। सैयद दिलदार अली ने 2, जबकि आमिर ज़िया, आमना कादिर और हुमा चंगेज़ ने मुख्तलिफ मजमूनों में अव्वल पोजीशन हासिल करके एक गोल्ड मेडल हासिल किया। गवर्नर सरहद सैयद इफ्तिखार हुसैन शाह ने खिताब करते हुए कहा कि बहुत जल्द खैबर मेडिकल कॉलेज पेशावर को मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी का दर्जा देने का ऐलान कर दिया जाएगा।
Dear graduates, today the award of these degrees which have been bestowed upon you brings huge responsibility of serving the ailing humanity.
डॉक्टर फवाद कमर ने 1900 नंबर्स में से 1609 नंबर हासिल करके 9 गोल्ड मेडल हासिल किए, जो कॉलेज की 50 साल की तारीख में नया रिकॉर्ड है। इसके अलावा उन्हें सदारती अवार्ड के लिए भी मुंतखब किया गया है।
लेकिन मेरे वालिदैन की डेडिकेशन, उनकी मेरे साथ डिवोशन और उनका गाइडेंस, प्रॉपर गाइडेंस, वो चूँकि खुद भी डॉक्टर्स हैं इसलिए उन्होंने मुझे इस फील्ड में बहुत गाइड किया और हर मौके पर मेरे साथ डेडिकेटेड रहे।
सानवी तालीमी बोर्ड कराची के तहत सालाना इम्तिहानात 2002 और 2003 में नुमाया कामयाबी हासिल करने वाले तलबा और तालिबात को गोल्ड मेडल्स और असनाद दी गई। इस मौके पर सिंध के वज़ीर ख़जाना सरदार अहमद, मुशीर सेहत फैसल मलिक भी मौजूद थे। सैयद सरदार अहमद ने कहा कि कोई